Hey DIY enthusiasts! Ready to save some time and money with your cleaning routine? Today I've got 5 genius cleaning hacks that'll have your home sparkling in no time. Let's dive right in. Hack number 5. Vinegar and baking soda for drain cleaning. Got a slow drain? Pour half a cup of baking soda followed by half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Wait about 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. Boom! No more clogs, and it's all natural. Hack number 4. Lemon for microwave cleaning. Slice a lemon in half, place it in a bowl of water, and microwave on high for 3 minutes. Let it sit for another 5 minutes without opening the door. The steam will loosen grime, making it super easy to wipe off. Hack number 3. Coffee filters for dusting. Bet you didn't know. Coffee filters are perfect for dusting off screens and electronics. They're lint-free and won't leave streaks. Hack number 2. Toothpaste for shoe whitening. Those white sneakers looking a bit dingy? Apply a bit of white toothpaste to a toothbrush and scrub those soles. Wipe with a damp cloth and your shoes will look brand new. And finally, hack number 1. Baking soda for carpet freshening. Sprinkle baking soda on your carpet, let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum it up. It absorbs odors and leaves your carpet smelling fresh. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these hacks helpful. Drop a comment with your favorite cleaning hack and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. Remember, every small hack helps make life a bit easier. See you in the next video.